This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the picture where it belongs. Click the cell that will anchor the image, then choose Insert Pictures this device. Once you pick a file, Excel inserts the image over the grid. Make sure to use corner handles to resize proportionally so the picture doesn't distort. You're doing this first to lock placement and prevent covering important cells. If you need tight alignment, enable Snap to grid and drag the image until it lines up with the cell edges. Once the image is inserted, open the Picture Format tab to refine appearance and behavior. You can crop to remove edges or choose a shape and adjust size values precisely for uniformity. Make sure to set wrap text or the object's properties. Choose Move and Size with cells if you want the picture to follow cell edits, or fix its position by selecting Don't Move or Size with cells. If you rotate or flip, use the rotation handle. Reset if proportions look wrong. To finish, confirm placement and file size. Format the picture's properties to lock or allow movement with cells, then compress pictures to reduce workbook weight if needed. Save your workbook and test by resizing rows or columns to ensure the picture behaves as expected. If the image appears blank or broken later, relink or reinsert it and verify the original file path, especially for network or external drives. If issues persist, clear Excel's cache and reinsert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.